welcome. How are you? I hope you all are fine and spending a beautiful day with a great health. I am here with my another video, and this video is about high pencil heel in really beautiful design and different color combination. And as you see, this one is also really nice black color heel, a really pretty red color heel that look really amazing. And this one is also a slipper kind of heel in the black color that look really nice. And as you see, this one is also a really pretty red color heel. It look really amazing and a really beautiful kind of heel. This combination looks really nice, really beautiful kind of colors, and this combination looks really nice, a really beautiful kind of print and texture type of thing. And watch this video till the end, then you'll get some ideas about the different kind of heels that can help you to upgrade the collection of your heels and make it more amazing and more beautiful. And as you see, this one is also a really nice kind of white color with the really beautiful fabrics. And as you see, this pink color heel looks really nice. It's a really pretty kind of heel. And this one is also a really nice white and green color combination. And as you know, heels are that type of footwear that you can wear with your every kind of outfit, like it's eastern or it's western. It look really beautiful with both and enhance your personality, make your outfit more pretty and make it more amazing and more beautiful. And as you know, heels can give you a temporary height boost that can help you to look taller than your actual height. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon and like this video, comment on this video and share this video. So today's video is about to end. I will see you next YouTube video. Allah Hafiz, bye bye and take care. And thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.